Hello all, welcome back to NSA Maths. Today we are going to learn the next topic of unit number 2 called as quadratic forms. So what is quadratic form? A homogeneous polynomial of second degree in any number of variables is called a quadratic form. A homogeneous polynomial of second degree, that means in each term the degree is 2. Any number of variables is called a quadratic form. So that quadratic form for the 3 variables is given by this a11 x square, a22 y square, a33 z square plus 2a23 yz plus 2a13 xz plus 2a12 xy. So for remembering this, we can also remember this way: a11 x square plus a22 y square. That means there are 2 terms of x, x square is there. So write down here a11. See, x is first variable, y is second variable, and z is third variable. So when x square is multiplied, so that is a11. That is first variable. It is 2 times x into x square. So write down its coefficient as a11. Then y is second variable and is y square. So 2 times it is. So write down the coefficient of y square, it is a22. Then z square, it is third variable. So 2 times z. So write down a33 third variable. Then after that write down this term. So this is x into y. So x is first variable, y is second variable. So write down its coefficient as a12 and multiply it as a 2. Okay. Then after that write down this term, that is 2 times a23 yz. See, y into z. So y is the second variable, z is the third variable. So the coefficient is a23 multiplied by 2. And the last term, that is a13 xz. X is the first variable, z is the third variable. So the coefficient is a13 multiplied by 2. So we will get the quadratic form. Then the matrix of this quadratic form can be written as: the first row is a11, a12, a13. Second row is a12, a22, a23. Third row is a13, a23, a33. Now how to remember this matrix? So see, to remember the matrix A, so matrix A we can write, first write down the upper triangular matrix. Okay, having its position gives the element as its position. So this first position give the element as a11. After that, first row second column a12 and a13. We have to write the upper triangular matrix first. So write down this element, middle element in the second row. So it is a22 element. After that a23 element, second row third column. And then write down in the third row third column, this element is a33. So first write down the upper triangular matrix. And since the what is quadratic matrix, this is a symmetric matrix. So write down this element here as it is, that is a12. Write down this element here as it is a13, and this element as it is here a23. So this is actually a symmetric matrix, and that is you will get the quadratic form in the matrix. Then depending upon the eigenvalues of this matrix, so we have the different nature of quadratic forms. So a real quadratic form x transpose x is said to be x transpose x, that means this is said to be first positive definite if all the eigenvalues of matrix A greater than equals to 0. That means if this statement is given, this equation is given, from that find out the matrix A and find out the eigenvalues of this matrix by using our regular procedure, by using the formula lambda cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus determinant of A is equals to 0. If all eigenvalues are positive, then we can say that the given matrix or given quadratic form is positive definite. If all eigenvalues, second is if all eigenvalues are negative, then we say that the given quadratic form it is negative definite. Third one is if we can say that if all eigenvalues are greater than equals to 0, that means if at least one eigenvalue is 0 and remaining all are positive, if at least one eigenvalue is 0 and remaining all eigenvalues are positive, then we say that the quadratic form is positive semi-definite. Then if all eigenvalues are less than equals to 0, that means at least one eigenvalue is 0 and remaining all eigenvalues are negative, then we say that the quadratic form is negative semi-definite. And if you will get some eigenvalues are positive and some are negative, if you will get some eigenvalues positive and some are negative, then we say that the quadratic form is indefinite. The given quadratic form is indefinite. So, depending upon this, we have to solve the examples. You see the example. Find the nature of the following quadratic form. So, this form is given. Okay. Now, from this we can write the matrix A. For that we have to calculate A11. What is A11? It is the coefficient of x square. So, A11 we will get 1. Then coefficient of y square, it is A22. So, we will get A22 as a 5. Then coefficient of z square, it is z into z, third variable. So, we will get A33, it is 1. After that, coefficient of x into y, x is the first variable, y is the second variable, and so it is 2 times. X is the first variable, so it is A1 and y is second variable, so A12, it is equals to 2. This implies value of A12 it is 1, value of A12 it is 1. Then here 2 times y into z, so this is 2 times y is the second variable, so A2 and z is the third variable, so value of A23 it is 2. From that we will get the value of A23 as a 1, and the third term is 6 times zx, so it is 2 times a zx, x is the z is the third variable, or we can write x is the first variable and z is the third variable. So, it is 2 times A13 is equals to 6. Okay. Now, from this we will get the value of A13 as a 3, A13 as a 3. Here put the value of A11, that is 1, this 1. Then here put the value of A22, this 5. Then put value of A33, this 1. Then A12 put here, that is 2 upon 2, it is 1. Then A13, it is 3, from this put here. Then A23, it is divided by 2, so it becomes 1, put here. So, we will get actually here upper triangular matrix, and the matrix A, we know that it is a symmetric matrix. So, write down this 1 here, this 3 here, and this 1 here. So, we will get whole matrix, that is in the quadratic form. Okay. Now, we have to find the eigenvalues of this matrix A. So, for this 3 cross 3 matrix, the characteristic equation, it is lambda cube minus S1 lambda square plus S2 lambda minus determinant of A is equals to 0. Find the value of S1, it is 7, S2 it is the sum of minors of diagonal elements, it is 0, and determinant is 36. Put the values of S1, S2 and determinant in this characteristic equation. So, you will get lambda cube minus 7 lambda square plus 36 is equals to 0. Solve this third degree equation in your calculator and find the roots. So, we will get the roots are minus 2, 3 and 6. Okay. Now, see the roots. The first root minus 2 it is a negative root and remaining 2 roots are positive. So, eigenvalues are negative as well as positive. See, the 2 values are positive and 1 is negative. That means, given quadratic form is indefinite. Given quadratic form is indefinite. Let us see the another example. Find the nature of following quadratic form. So, quadratic form is given. Now, from that we have to first find the values of A11, A12 like that. So, A11, it is the coefficient of x square, so it is 3. Then coefficient of y square, it is A22, A22 it is 5, and coefficient of z square, it is A33, it is 3. Then here yz, that is nothing but 2 times value of y is second variable and z is third variable. So, it is value of a 2 times a23, it is given as minus of 2. From that we can calculate a23 as a minus 1. After that zx, so 2 times zx or xz we can write. So, it is a, x is first variable, z is third variable. So, 2 times a13 it is 2. From that we will get the value of a13 as a 1. And after that xy, so it is 2 times, x is the first variable, y is the second variable, the value is minus 2. From that we will value of a12 it is minus 1. So, this value of a11 3, value of a22 5, value of a33 it is 3. After that value of a12 it is minus 1 from this, then value of a13 it is 1 from this, and value of a23 minus 1 from this put here. So, you will get the upper triangular matrix. So, complete this matrix by writing the remaining elements. So, we will get matrix A. Now, you have to find the characteristic equation of this matrix. So, the characteristic equation is given by lambda cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus determinant of A equals to 0. Find out s1, s2 and determinant. So, after finding this we will get the polynomial in terms of lambda. Solve this polynomial. So, we will get the values of lambda as a 2, 3, 6. So, we will get the eigen values as a 2, 3, 6, and if you see this 2 is positive, 3 is positive and 6 is also positive. So, all eigen values are positive. So, given quadratic form is positive definite. So, these are the examples on this quadratic form. So, some more examples for the practice. So, these are the examples, 13 examples for this practice. So, all these 13 examples yourself, and if you have any doubt while solving this, you can ask me on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching video.